Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today's video is a meal prep. Now this one's gonna be kind of small. I'm only gonna do 6 meals because this meat only has 6 pieces of meat in it, and it's from Foster Farms. No antibiotics ever. And this is drumsticks, free range. It came from Target. It's $3.99. And the calorie is 107 calories, about 4.5 servings. So I will be doing the exact calculations to give you guys the calorie count of the meal. This is mixed vegetables. We went over this the previous week, and it's 50 calories for first 4 servings. And the service is 2/3 cups. And this is for Target for 90 cents. And then we also went over the corn last week as well. The calorie count on this is 80 for 4 servings, and 2/3 cups is the serving size. And this was $1 from Target. And next we have these 2 Zatarain's yellow rice. 3.5 servings per container, 200 calories in here. And these can be bought at Walmart for $1.42. So this is like my video to show you guys the before. And I would come back after with all my calculations and everything. No bread this week. Well, no bread for these meals. Okay, so here's the finished product. My 6 drumsticks, 6 meals, yellow rice, the Zatarain's, corn, the Market Pantry from Target, and then that's 3 meals of those. And it's 3 meals of the mixed vegetables, yellow rice, and drumsticks. And this is 6 meals, and it's under $10 because the pack of drumsticks was $3.99. I used 2 packs of rice, which was $1.42, and then 1 bag of corn, which was 90 cents, and 1 bag of mixed vegetables, and I think that also was 90 cents. So this entire 6 meals are under $10. Okay, so get into the calorie count. The bottom one that has the corn is 106. I divided it by 3 instead of 4. The chicken is 127 and the rice is 233. And how I got the chicken, the calorie count per serving was 170, and it was 4.5 servings in there. And that was $7.65, and I multiplied that by 6 because it was 6 pieces of chicken. So this total is $466.50. The top row with the mixed vegetables is 4 servings, and I divided it by 3 instead of the 4, and it's 66 calories. The chicken is 127, and the rice is 233. Get everything in here together, 6 meals, they are under $10. Any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave it down below. All my social media is down below. Ebooks are down below. I have an advice column, DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com, is down below. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, share this video, like this video, and tell me what you think. No bread this time. 6 meals.